What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. I'm very excited about this one because Michael, the operation manager at Kanebilt, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try and review one of the memory foam seats. So here we have it. It's come in. I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'm gonna install it on the R, and I'm gonna take it for a spin, and I'm gonna give you guys my first thoughts. Appreciate you being here. Stick around. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this right quick, and we're gonna do it on camera. So this is the unboxing for the Kanebilt memory foam seat. And he asked me which seat I wanted to try out, and I went ahead and picked the brown one. I think it's the one that's gonna look very nice on the R with the olive drab color. Here we have it, guys. Check this out. All right, let's see, we got some information here. Hey, thank you, Michael. Appreciate you, man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this. And here we have 1, 2, 3 screws that are gonna go on the bike. And just from the feel of this so far, it feels super padded. Jeez, the color is a little bit dark brown, but I think it's gonna look very nice. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the stock seat from the R, and we're gonna put on the memory foam seat, and we'll check back with you guys in a minute. All right, I don't know if you guys can spot this little plastic. This was the plastic cover that was on the stock seat, and when I first removed it, there was this tiny piece that I could never get out. Well, I didn't want to take off the seat just to get it off because it wasn't bothering me, but I am gonna be glad to finally get this off. All right guys, so I just removed the stock seat, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the diamond stitch brown seat. So I had a couple of freebies in here too, a couple of Kanebilt stickers and an airhead. Appreciate that, but enough of that. Check this out. What do you guys think so far? I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a spin, and I'm gonna give you guys my initial thought of my first ride with the Kanebilt memory foam diamond stitch brown seat. Let's go. And before we do that, I just wanted to give you guys a quick comparison having both seats here next to each other. And as we can see, the stock seat compared to Kanebilt's cool looking seat, there's a big difference in padding and thickness. Also, if I put the seat up here, we can see how much more space we have from the stock to Kanebilt seat. And even if I put it here at the front and we go all the way to the back, we can see that it's pretty much similar. It is slightly bigger, and also on the sides you are gonna have a lot more space on Kanebilt's seat. And last but not least, I just gotta say that first impression, the material feels very nice on this seat. The stitching too, I really like the stitching. It's very detailed, and I don't see any defects or anything on this seat. So I'm glad about that. Kanebilt, you guys are doing a great job. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get on this bike and see how it feels. Man, this is a lot higher. Definitely feels pretty good actually. I like it. Hey, let's go for a ride and let's go check it out. go. Alright guys, so I'm back from the first ride, and all I got to say is Kanebilt, man, you guys got it going on with these seats. If you're shopping around for an aftermarket seat, definitely check out Kanebilt memory foam seats. Man, these things are comfortable. Gosh, not only is it comfortable, but it's gonna give you a lot more height. And I also went ahead and swapped my tires from the Badgers to the Grizzly tires, so that adds a little bit more height. But man, so far so good. I can definitely see myself riding for 1 to 2 hours without a problem. Definitely worth it. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Kanebilt. Man, you guys are awesome. And definitely I'll put Kanebilt's website down below in the description, but you guys already know where to find it probably. Definitely check them out. I totally recommend it. Worth it. If I knew this is how the seats were, I probably would have bought one before. But again, thank you, Kanebilt, for letting me do a review on the Diamond Stitch brown seat. I appreciate you. Thanks again for another video. Until next time, peace.